Barry, so I wanted to walk you through how we're pulling reports and respond to the comments that you had on what we're showing on those reports here. So what we do is we run everything out of the all sales report. As you can see inside of the columns here, if you search through both of these categories, the only thing that we can do to get the amount of revenue in there is this invoice total one, and then there's this balance column that's here as well. What we do in the miscellaneous criteria is we filter down to paid media, and then in the normal search here, I use the date range. I put the balance due equals 0 because if there's a balance due, what'll happen there is that will be the payments that didn't go through. So this is how we eliminate the people that attempted to charge and didn't go through. And so this is what it gives us. Now, the way Infusionsoft works, with the way that you have your payment plans set up, it doesn't tell us anything in here on if they're a payment plan, and it doesn't give us the collected revenue at all. All we get is this total. So we have no idea which ones of these are payment plans and which ones aren't. And we have no way of ascertaining that just by looking at this information right here. So, that's what we end up reporting is the invoice total that's showing up here. Now, there is a way to have it show the actual amount collected, but you'd have to change your order forms around and do it as a subscription versus a payment plan inside of Infusionsoft. And then if you do that, then it will show like the collected revenue here. But here's the problem. With the way it's structured right now, and if we were to say, if you just told us like, well, if it shows this code, then that's a 3-pay, and that means that you need to show $397. Well, we would do that, but the problem is because it's reporting the whole invoice total here, when the other payments go through, they won't show up on any future reports. So we don't know if the second payment's collected, we don't know if the third payment's collected, we don't know if the fourth payment's collected, and that revenue would never show up on our reports at all. So there's some problems with Infusionsoft's reporting and the way that you have it set up right now. So what we typically do with our clients is we report, what we see. Well, this is what we always do, is we report what we see on here. So if you want us to report collected revenue, then you're going to have to change the order form around to a subscription so that it shows just the amount that's collected here. And then when it's on the subscription, the future subscription payments will show up on here as well, and then we can report revenue as it's collected. But otherwise, it's like, we don't know which ones are payment plans or not. And all we can do is report off of what's showing up in here because, like I said, we can't filter it down into just what was collected, and we certainly can't see any of the future payments that go through. So I don't know what you want to do about that, but that's the bottom line, and that's why we report what we report on the reports. So any questions, let me know. Thank you.